Hey everybody, and welcome to this video. Now, if you watched my previous video and you've been following me on Instagram, you'll know that I've been teasing this new purchase, and I have purchased a three-legged thing. So this is a tripod made by the company called Three-Legged Things, and yeah, I'm really excited about this. Now, this tripod is the Punks Brian one. This is the one that I decided out of their full range that I wanted. I had reached out to Three-Legged Thing to ask them which tripod suited me, because I had been looking at their website for weeks and months and couldn't decide. The variety of tripods is amazing. They have something for everybody, whether you're an amateur photographer, an amateur video creator like myself, or you're a professional videographer or professional photographer. There's something in there for everybody, if I'm honest, and it is a bit overwhelming sometimes, but they do have a buyer's guide to help you. Now, a huge thank you to Three-Legged Thing's staff member Neil, who suggested some tripods that I would maybe potentially look at, and out of the four that he suggested, I picked the Punks Brian one. I should say that although they did help me pick this, it isn't sponsored. This is a purchase of my own, came off my own personal money to buy this, so it's definitely not sponsored. It's definitely not affiliated to them at all. So let's get this tripod out the box and have a look at it. The tripod comes in this neat little carry bag, so you can keep it safe, you can keep it stored away quite easily and neatly whenever you're not using it. And this is Punks Brian. He sits at 41 centimetres compacted, so not a massive tripod, as you can see. Really easy, really comfortable to throw in a backpack, throw in some luggage and take with you whenever you're travelling. So let's have a look, let's unpack him a little bit here. So this is Punks Brian. What you get in the box is exactly what I've shown you here. I haven't purchased any extra. So you get the tripod, you get this ball swivel head that's on top of the tripod, and you get the quick release plate that you attach your cameras, GoPros, whatever it may be, to. You also get this little carabiner tool. Let me unclick this little carabiner tool that they have, that you can just click onto the tripod in various different places. You could put onto your keys. It has a little kind of hex screw screwdriver, if you want to call it that, in order to interact with some of the bits around the tripod. So if you needed to tighten up the kind of nuts and bolts here, you could use that because it's designed for that. It's also designed to fit the screw at the top of your quick release plate. So if I take my quick release plate, the 3 1/4 inch screw that you use to attach to your cameras is a kind of hex one as well. So again, you don't have to, you could manually twist it in like I do with my other quick release plates, but this little tool can help you with it. I'm also tempted to say that this could be a good bottle opener, but I'm not sure if that's the purpose of it. But you know, it's always handy to know these little things, especially if you're traveling and you need to open a bottle of juice, take a lid off. So let's have a look at actually some of the stats of this tripod before we look at what it does and how it sits. So the Punks Brian is a carbon fibre version. They do a metal version, or an alloy metal kind of version of this tripod, which is called Corey. And I didn't want to go for a metal tripod because my current tripod, which is falling apart right now, hence the purchase, is metal, and I absolutely hate it when it's winter or when it's night time and I'm having to struggle trying to put the tripod up or down without gloves. It's freezing, it's cold, it's horrible, it's not a great experience. Trying to put gloves on is not fun either when you're trying to set up a camera, trying to find the buttons and dial everything in. It's not a great experience, even though my mum has bought me gloves with fingerless gloves to help me. It was never fun. So I've chosen the carbon fibre one to try and avoid that cold effect, whether we hopefully we're not going to see that again. It's not a relatively warm day here in Scotland, but tripod is not cold to touch. I can easily hold it, and it's actually, to be honest, heating up in my hand. So hopefully it's not going to be an issue in the winter or the the cold. At maximum, this tripod sits at 1.87 meters, which is phenomenal, and we'll see that once I unpack it all, and you'll see how tall that actually is. You have a load capacity of 14 kilograms, so it can hold up to 14 kilograms. Again, I'll never probably need that depth of weight bearing. I usually film with my GoPro or my mobile phone camera or my Canon 600D. So none of my equipment is massively heavy, but again, you have that flexibility if you need it. The tripod weight itself is 1.45 kilograms. So again, not the lightest in the world, but not the heaviest in the world either. And packed up, like I said, it sits at 41 centimeters in length. So a great compact tripod for the money that you're paying. I paid $269.99 for this tripod, which I think is quite expensive for a tripod, but when you see the features and functionality of it, you'll understand why. I'm in the UK, I'm obviously based in Scotland. Three-Legged Thing is a company based in England, and I got this tripod just over 24 hours later than when I purchased it. So I think I purchased it at 11 a.m. on the morning, and I got the tripod at 1 p.m. the next morning, or the next day, sorry, which is phenomenal. And I didn't have to pay additional for that postage and packaging. It was free postage and packaging for me. I don't know if that's what they do all the time and it's built into the price of the tripod, but phenomenal customer service from the team in getting me this tripod quite quickly as well. So let's have a look at some of the features and functionality of this tripod. So like I said, at the top we have this ball swivel joint, which is great, really easy. You can unscrew it, you can lock it up. Once you find the position that you want to have your camera in or whatever equipment you've got on this, you can lock it in and it's not moving. It's solid. It's absolutely solid. It is not moving from that position. The bits that you interact with on this tripod are rubberized, so all the little turn screws are rubberized with a tactile experience, so really easy to find. It's obviously daylight right now, but I think in evening tripod situations, when you're maybe taking some night footage, it'll be really easy to find them because you can feel them. You can feel quite easily where all the bits are that you need to interact with in terms of bringing the tripod up and down. All along the top of this tripod is little level bubbles, so making sure that you have got that level plane set for your picture or your video. I have two here at the top of my quick release. I have a one built into the kind of the knob that opens up the quick release plate. I also have one here at the kind of base of the tripod, and I've got some stickers here attached to the tripod as well. This is not just a tripod though, this is also a monopod. It actually turns into a monopod. One of the legs unscrews, which I'll show you later, and you can use it as a monopod. So again, great functionality in being able to use this as a tripod or a monopod depending on your needs, your situation, and what you're doing. The feet on this tripod are detachable. They come with rubber feet, so really solid little rubber feet, but you can detach these, you can unscrew them and put in different types of feet. Three-Legged Thing sell different tripod feet for it, ones that have little spikes on them, ones that are multiple spikes on them, depending on your situation. They also sell a kind of monopod base as well, so if you wanted to have a solid kind of base for using with your monopod, if you do a lot of monopod type filming or photography. So lots and lots of features and functionality. Holding this tripod and looking at it, it feels well built. It feels quite solid. It feels like it's value for your money, to be honest. I don't feel like this is a cheap tripod, and like I say, it has a lot of features and functionality around it. So let's actually get this tripod unpacked, show you at its full height, show you some of the features and functionalities, and show you how it turns into a monopod. So let's get it unpacked and put it up to its full height. So this is it at its full height. it's even higher. That's it at full. It's totally out of the shot of the camera. I have to move the camera back in order to do it. You can see it's taller than me, so that 1.87 meters is really high. It's going to do whatever scenarios that you're doing. I don't ever have thought about needing to have this kind of height of tripod, but you never know. You absolutely never know what you need. And with kind of Bluetooth remotes and stuff like that today, then the functionality is there for you. So you can see that, yeah, it's pretty amazing in terms of the height. What I would say is that I don't find it quick to actually put it at its full height, to put it at the legs, to expand the legs. You do just turn it one way, these little knobs one way, to kind of be able to extend the legs or retract the legs. There's 5 sections to each leg. So it's not quick. I think on my current tripod there's 2 sections to each leg, and it's really quite easy. I unclip it, the leg falls down, I clip it into the position, so it's quite quick to put up, quite quick to put away. I think this is a bit long in terms of putting it up and putting it away. I don't think my family are going to be best pleased when I am setting up a shot and I have to take a few minutes to pack this, unpack it and pack it away. But maybe it gets easier once you actually get used to it. I don't know, we'll see, time will tell. This is literally like the second time that I've actually built it up to this height, so we shall see. One thing I should note here is in the middle you actually have a little hook where you can hook something on, so you could hook your bag onto it, or you could hook a weight in order to make the tripod more steady. The legs are very flexible. There's that kind of flexibility that you can pack them up, so lots of flexibility and able to get to the shot that you need or the position that you need. What we'll do first of all is show you in monopod functionality, and then I'll show you into the most compact functionality as well. So this is it in monopod. What you do is, like I say, you take one of the legs off, one of the legs can detach, you take off this centre pole and you attach them together and you get this really tall monopod. It's taller than me, so again, massive height, massive use cases for this. Obviously the legs are extendable or not, so you can kind of move it down, so you can use it at whatever height you need and whatever use case you're going to need that for. So yeah, you have a tripod and a monopod built into one. So great functionality, and like I said, you can detach the little feet on the bottom of these legs and put in something else. What I'm going to do is kind of pack it up a little bit and show you in its flattest form, so as you can see the flexibility of this tripod. I can pretty much sit this tripod flat, so if you wanted to get that low shot, you can do that. You could, I think you can actually even take this centre pole out and do the different configurations. What I love about this tripod is the flexibility. Whatever you need it to be, it looks like it's going to actually do it. With the 3-legged thing tripod, you also get a limited warranty of up to 5 years for the original owner. They say that the warranty can't be transferred, so if you were to sell this tripod onto someone else, the warranty wouldn't carry over. However, I am massively excited about trying to use this. Like I said, my current tripod is a little bit broken. One of the legs falls apart every time I pick it up, so I am super excited about using this. With the better weather here now approaching in Scotland, I'm hoping to get outside more, to do more photo shoots and videos and stuff outside. So yeah, I think this is going to be a massively good investment for me. So like I say, this is not sponsored by 3-legged thing. I am just a fan of their equipment, and now that I actually have one, I am even more of a fan. So thank you for tuning into this video. Please do let me know if you have any questions. This is obviously a first impressions video. It's the second time I've unpacked this thing, so I have no real using experience of it, but certainly I'm impressed with what I've got here. If you want me to do a review, please let me know. Please let me know any questions, anything that you want me to try out and try and understand. I can definitely look into that. And if you did like this video, please do me a huge big favour and hit that like button and subscribe if you want to see more content.